Hello everyone. Another strange device. This looks like a car remote. If you see it at the first, the same thing what I was thinking is a car remote, but it's not. This is something for the TV. What the customer explained, this remote here is make the TV go up and down. Anyway, this remote, it doesn't work anymore. The guy contacted the company. They don't make them anymore. They don't make replacement. No help. Battery is good. It's new. That's what the customer said. So let's check it. Put the 12 volt. Anyway, this battery should be like 12 volt. Many times customers say battery is being replaced, but it's not. But let's see. 12 volt 0.6. So the battery, it has a good voltage. Alright, if we put the battery here, show the customer know how to put the battery. Where is the positive and negative? Alright, when I click this button, you can see the light. When I click this button, no light. I did do this test in front of the customer, and I asked him when the remote was working and you push this button, do you see the light? He said he doesn't think so and he can't remember. So what we can be fixing in this device? Replacing these two buttons. The connector should be good here for the battery. There is some diode or transistors here, some resistors, and some little ceramic capacitors. That's all we can check here. The IC, we can do nothing to it. This is a programmed IC. It has codes. It has to send the signal. This is no IR remote. This could be the RF, maybe. Alright, let's look at it in the microscope and check it better. So we have a crystal for the frequency over there, some resistors, and we check the traces to see if there is any water damage. Kinda sure the connector works because the other button we have the light. And this is a IC, and we have the two buttons. Do you see the liquid inside the buttons? I don't know. See that? So let's go to the resistance mode. Let's test this one first to be sure how the button's set up. Okay, when I click the button, we have the sound, or we have the so this button, when I click to it, nothing happened. Could be is a bad button, maybe. Hopefully. And we can use the power supply as well. So power supply almost 12 volt. So this is the positive and this is the negative. This is the button that was working. You can see it. This button here. Look, the button doesn't work, but if I search it, we have the signal, or we have the LED light is on. So this is a bare button. We are going to replace them, and we go from there. Test it. Okay, we have the light, this button, we have the light, the other button. Yeah, it's like it works. This button is expand. And that's all for this video, and see you again.